What's going on, boys? We're back with another recap today, and I just want to give a quick shout out to the markets and how they've been moving this week, especially. Big shout out. Big shout out. Anyways, we'll get to that in a minute. Huh?
Today was tough.
Yeah, today was amazing. Let's do this trade, this verse of the day, though. So today's verse of the day is Romans 8:18. I am not sure if I've already done this one, but it was so good that I just couldn't pass it up. And this verse says, I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. So I really like this verse. It has to deal with trading a lot because the present sufferings that you're experiencing now, they're not being profitable. If you just stay consistent and you keep pushing and working, then you'll achieve the goals that you want to achieve in your life and through trading. So this verse is just a really good verse in my opinion. Again, highly recommend reading Romans. But let's get into this recap. So today's market conditions were complete dog shit. As you guys, coming to the day, I had a bearish bias. Why? We swept out both of these 4-hour bullish gaps after we rejected them for the past couple of days, or for the past 2 days. And we swept these, or we inversed them. We ran through both of these gaps in the Asia sesh. So I was like, shorts today. We have these 4-hour lows down here that probably want to get taken out, and it'll tap into this gap one more time to hopefully move higher by tomorrow. But so we inverse these fair value gaps, automatically thinking bearish. Yo, did we have an SMT? I can't remember. I don't believe
so.
Did we? I don't believe, actually. Might have.
Wait, where?
At market open,
That
like.
move down?
Oh wait, yeah, there was an SMT right here. Right here, look. So there's an SMT right here. At market open. Or this was pre-market actually. I actually had a really good pre-market trade that I was targeting these. I think these are Asia lows. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, those were Asia lows, but it didn't end up getting hit because I guess market open we just ran up 50 points, 70 points to the upside. Why? I mean, I guess we had all this resting buy side, but I was expecting us to be bearish. We were rejecting this hourly gap. We've tapped into a couple dimes, dumped, and we tapped into it, started rejecting it a bit, and then we ended up inversing it, which changed my bias. But coming to the day, we had a bearish bias, expecting those 4-hour lows to get taken out. But once I saw this shit, once I saw that we came up and took out all this, I no longer was bearish. This SMT gets out of place. This hourly gap gets inversed. So now I'm trying to find some shorts to this hourly gap, and it was paired with a 15-minute imbalance as well, so that would have been a good target for this trade right here. This trade was off of liquidity sweep. We swept out all these low resistance highs up here, and then this was just fine. Like, this come up, like, that's happened many times before. It's fucking this that's the most dumb shit I've ever seen in my life. And then it just runs up again and then chop. So this short, I want you guys to take a second and look at the 1001 candle right here. I don't know if you see this, but 78-point candle, 315 ticks. Why the fuck is there? I mean, it's 10:01. I get maybe sometimes 10 a.m. has volatility, but this was the 10 a.m. candle. Why the fuck is the 10:01 candle shooting up all the way up here, 70 points, just to come all the way back? Why was there 10:01 news? Why the shit was there 10:01? I needed this. I need an explanation. What is going on? Like, dead ass. What is going on? This was so stupid, bro. Yo, I saw this shit live time. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my
I
gosh.
didn't see it live.
Nah, this is what we get a CISD, liquidity sweep, targeting this inverse and this sell side down here. I go out this gap. Look at this devious. Oh, I'm just going to delete this shit. Look at this rejection off this fair value gap right here. The 10 a.m. candle was beautiful. I messed with that. I just went break even right away, and thank the Lord Jesus that I went break even, because then we just fucking shot up 70 points for, again, sorry, 80 points for absolutely no reason. Trump probably woke up, got out of bed or something. I don't know. But, you know, I mean, I guess it's okay, right? It's okay, you know. So, got stopped break even there. Wasn't even mad. I think at this point I was down like 100 on the day, only because I accidentally entered here with 7 micros short, right? Like somewhere here. I don't know where, but somewhere. And I just closed immediately. So, I didn't even care about that. This trade wasn't terrible. I knew our draw was higher. We had SMT at the time. ES swept out these lows down here that NASDAQ didn't. And so, I mean, wasn't a horrible long. It's just this price action is just complete cock. So, I mean, that's probably what made it a terrible long. If I put my stop below the lows that weren't there, that I didn't see until you want to know what's funny? I take the trade. I'm in longs off the fair value app. I go text him. I open the app. I just immediately got fucking stopped out. Immediately. I opened the app and I'm just out. I just got stopped out. So, I mean, I looked at it in just sadness and like disbelief. Just what is this fucking price action? And then this one, when the log plays out, we don't get filled, you know. I had a limit order at this fair value gap right here, but guess what? Market has a mind of its own, you know. It was a 3-minute gap. This 3-minute gap right here. But, you know, market just decided, you know what? We're just gonna blue ball him today. I mean, I guess they just didn't feel like handing out money today. I don't know what the shit.
Market did peg me a little bit today.
Yeah. I don't know what the shit was going on, bro. Like, this whole week has just been horrible. But didn't get filled on the long. Ended up hitting, of course, the trade that I didn't get filled on hits. Typical shit. I would have not expected it. And then at this point, I was down like 1,000. I think I got stopped out a couple times here in this chop, entering off for value gaps and shit, shorts. I think I took short here to the lows again. And then, you know, guess what happens? Comes up. And then guess what happens? Comes back down. And then what happened? It came back up. I mean, just consolidation, accumulation, ball sack, distribution. So, I mean, I guess you could actually say this is an AMD model here. Accumulation, manipulation, more accumulation, distribution. But
CT power of 3, Enigma, Daylight's.
But anyways, yeah, the daylight was saved. The NVIDIA Enigma, just remember that. The NVIDIA Enigma. But yeah, I just went long off this 5-minute gap. I had a limit order here. I thought it would run to my take profit here, but it didn't. And targeting these highs, as you can see, if I left it, I would have been edged. So after I saw this beautiful price action, I was like, I'm done with this shit. I was in this trade for an hour. So then I just took profit, like above the tie a little bit, and I was done. I was just out. I thought I was gonna get stopped at break even. I thought it was gonna come all the way up and then come like from this down move. I thought it was gonna just come all the way back down, but thank God it didn't. I got billed out today. Yesterday I lost 200, and I'm back to just minus 30 on the week. We're trading Asia tonight because I'm sick and tired of fucking New York. We're probably going to trade tomorrow, though, New York, depending. I don't know. We'll see about Asia, but I'm just hoping tomorrow's price action is good. we do have unemployment claims at 8:30 and PMI at 9:45. So high impact news. Hopefully the market does good tomorrow. Not be weird, but as you can see, what ended up happening is it came down to the lows that we initially had targeted out. And I mean, why wouldn't it? You know, pretty valid, right? It's pretty valid. But I mean, now you got to talk about how you blew your account.
First trade I took, market open. I tried a top tick.
Nah.
Shit didn't work. So then I was like long. So I had a math quiz. So I put a limit order right here. Guess what?
Didn't
That
get
shit
filled.
doesn't tap in. And then next one, full port. Like
nah. That's the same trade I took. Nah.
And yeah, if I put my stop right here, it would have hit. But
Yeah, but those were imaginary lows. Like they just got made when we got stopped out, so we couldn't have known.
yeah, and then
It's all gay. I mean, it's all good.
I think that's where the account was blown. We just make sure.
Keep in mind, he blew this account in a day, just like the one I did on Monday. But this is a new combine. You just bought this, right?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, boys.
Where the shit's the executions?
You can't see them because this is a new combine.
Oh. Yeah. There it is.
Wow. Wow.
I went long again. Like when I got stopped, I went long again. Right here. At this candle, the shit I'm on, and then it dumps. It goes down, and then a fat candle up, just to.
It just wanted to blow your account. That's the same shit that happened to me on Monday. Just saying.
Just to put it in my asshole.
Yeah. You know what?
Felt good today, NASDAQ.
Listen, NASDAQ, I just want to give you props, especially. I'm just really hoping we have good price tomorrow. Really, really hoping. Because if we don't, I'm going to be pretty sad.
I'm done full porting.
Yeah.
It's over.
Yep.
It's over.
I think we said that shit 30 times, but I think this is it. I think this is it.
No, this is.
Just like when you say you're done jerking off, but you just go again. This is it, bro.
I'm done.
Nomination of denomination? What?
For English essay.
Oh, shit. 7 lessons I learned. Anyways, alright, boys. That's it for today's video.
Alright.
Alright. See y'all in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.